Let us discuss a topic on factorization. In this, the next topic is factorization using the identities. First of all, we recall the identities. Those are a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. And the fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Using four identities, which one is suitable for the given problem? Using that and simplify the factors. Okay. The first question is factorize x square. We can take the one example, factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay. Here, this is equal to x can be written as in the form of x whole square. X square means x as a or a square or x whole square plus 16 means we know that it is the 4 4s are 16 that can be written as 4 whole square, 4 4s are 16. A square plus b square is there. The remaining terms is it expressed in the form of 2ab, that is 2 into x into 4. 4 2s are 8, 8x. So it is equal to x plus 4 whole square. Why? Because using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it can written as a plus b whole square. So the factors of x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x plus 4 whole square. Okay. Using the identities to factorize the given functions means we can take that one, or given algebraic expressions. Okay. One more example. The second one is factorize 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Here we know that 4 is a perfect square, that is 4 is equal to 2 square, 2 into 2, 2, that is nothing but 2 whole square. 9 is nothing but 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 3 square. Here it can be written as 4y means 2y whole square minus 2 into a is 2y. 9 is nothing but that is 3 whole square. 2a, b is 3. Just you check out. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the form of the expression? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. That is the identity. In this, what is a? This is a. 2y is a. What is b? 3 is b. Here, 2ab has negative or positive. Just once you check it. If it is negative in between of a and b, we take negative. 2y minus 3 whole square. So, therefore, the given function 4y square minus 12y plus 9 can be expressed as a factor form 2y minus 3 whole square. Okay. The third question. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Here, factorize the given expression. Here, from the observing of the first three terms, it can be expressed as by the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square minus c square. Again, which is in the form of identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this is nothing but a, this is nothing but b. It is in the form of a square minus b square. By the identity, what we can write? A minus b. Here a minus b. What is the b? Here minus c. And a plus b. That is a minus b plus c. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square equal to a minus b minus c into a minus b plus c. That is the factorization of the given function. And one more problem is factorize m to the power of 4 minus 256. Okay. Here, m to the power of 4, 256 means 256. Take the factors. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2, 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are 2 4 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to m square whole square. We can write it as here, or m to the power of 4 minus 2 to the 4 to the power of 4. M to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 4. It is the first 2 to the 4. It is second. It is 3. It is 4. So it can be written as m square whole square minus 4 square whole square. Okay. 4 can be written as 2 to the 4. We know that a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. 2 to the 4. So it suitable. Now this is expressed in the form of the identity. What is that? A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay. Here this is a, m square is a, 4 square is b. Write in the identity m square minus 4 square, m square plus 4 square. Okay, it is equal to, again, which is in the form of a square minus b square. That is m minus 4 into m plus 4 into m square plus 4 4s are 60. Okay, these are the identity. What is that? M power 4 minus 256 equal to, factors are m minus 4 is the one factor, m plus 4 is the another factor, m square plus 16 is the third factor. We have used the first 3 identities. The another problem by the using of the fourth identity, that is y square minus 7y plus 12. Here 4 3s are 12. It is not, 12 is not a perfect square. It cannot express in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So in this, which is the suitable? 12 factors. 12 means 1 12s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Just so you can add it. What is the suitable identity? X plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus of a plus b into ab. Or, okay, here 12 means 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Here x minus a into x minus b equal to, we can write it as x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab. We can write that is also. Why? Because minus for x terms, minus into minus plus ab, x square and ab both are having the positive terms, x term having the negative when the a and b are negative. So here we can write y square. 12 means 4 3s are 12 plus minus 4 plus 3 into y. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. that is nothing but 7y. So it is equal to, by the identity, y minus 3 into y minus 4. Just you can check it. Y into y square. Minus 4y minus 3y minus 7y minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Therefore, y square minus 7y plus 12 equal to y minus 3 into y minus 4. These are the factors we can split by the form of any suitable identity. The another one is z square minus 4z minus 12. Here also 12 factors, 6 to z 12, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we can take minus 6 plus 2 equal to minus 4. What is that? Minus 6 into plus 2 equal to minus 12. So it is z square plus of minus 6 plus 2 into z plus of minus 6 into 2 equal to, it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus of a plus b plus ab. So this is z minus 6 and z plus 2. Because a is equal to minus 6, b equal to 2, z plus a into z plus b. Here a is minus of, plus of minus 6 is minus 6. These are the factors. Once again, you check it. You are getting the same only. Next, we go to exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2. The first question. Factorize the following expressions. Factorize the following expressions. The first question is a square plus 8a plus 16. It's already we have taken as example. The second question is p square minus 10p plus 25. Just we can observe it. We observe it. P square means here we write p whole square. 25 means write it as 5 whole square minus 2 into a is p, b is 5. So it is the identity, using the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So it is equal to p minus 5 whole square. Okay, the expression can factorize. The second question is 25m square plus 30m plus 9. Here, observing this, 25 is a prime factor, then 9 is also, it's a square, perfect square. 25 can be written as 5 square, m square is nothing but m. 5m whole square plus 2 into a is 5m. 9 is a perfect square, that is 3 whole square. So a square plus 2ab is 3 plus b square. What is the suitable identity? Here a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So it is equal to a is 5m, b is 3. So 5m plus 3 whole square. Okay, the first identity, second identity we used here. The fourth one, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. We know that 49 is a perfect square, that is 7 sevens are 36 equal to 6 6 are, and 84 means 2 into 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42, 42 2s are 84. So here clearly we can write in the expression of the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So write in that form 7y whole square plus 2 into 7y. 36z square can written as 6z whole square. Here b is 6z. It is equal to a is 7y, b is 6z whole square. A plus b whole square. Next question, fifth one. 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Here 4 is the perfect square, that is 2 square is equal to 4. 2ab or 8 is nothing but we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. One a is 2x, another b is 2. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus 2 into a is 2x. 4 can be written as 2 whole square, b is 2. So it is equal to 4x square, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8x plus 4 square is equal to 2x minus 2 whole square equal to 2 square into x minus 1 whole square, that is 4 into x minus 1 whole square. We can take any way, either this or just we can write it as 4x square minus 8x plus 4 equal to 4 is taking common x square minus 2x plus 1. It is equal to 4 into x whole square minus 2, a is x, b is 1 plus 1 square equal to 4 into x minus 1 whole square by the identity of a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Okay. Next problem, sixth one. (121) b square minus 88 bc plus 16c square. 121 means that is the 11 square value. 16 means that is 4 square value. It is equal to 11b whole square minus 2 into a is 11b. B is 4c whole square into 4c. 11 2s are 22, 4s are 88 equal to 11b minus 4c whole square by the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Okay. Seventh one. Expand. Okay. L plus m whole square minus 4lm. That is the seventh one. First, we use the identity, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is equal to L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm plus 2lm minus 4lm, that is equal to L square minus 2lm plus m square. What is the identity here? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square equal to L minus m whole square. Next, eighth question. A to the power of 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to the power of 4. It is equal to a to the power of 4 can be written as a square whole square. B to the power of 4 can be written as b square whole square. The remaining is 2, a is a square, b is b square. What is the suitable expression of the identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. What is a? A is a square. What is b? B is b square. It's a whole square. Okay, this is the first problem. The second one is factorize. The first question is 4p square minus 9q square. Here we know that 4 equal to 2 2s are 4. That is nothing but 2 square. 9 is nothing but 3 3s are 9, 3 square. Okay, it is a perfect square, 9 and 4. So we can write it as 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. What is the form of identity? It is a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we can write it as 2p minus 3q into 2p plus 3q. Use the identity of a square minus b square. Second question. 63a square minus 112 b square. 63 means 9 3s, 9 7s are 63. 112 means 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 14s are 2 7s are. So 7 is common from the two terms. 7 into 9a square minus 7 into 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 16b square. So 7 is common from the two terms. 7 into 9a square minus 16b square. So 9 and 16 are the perfect squares. 9 equal to 3 squares, 16 equal to 4 square. So we can write it as 7 into 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. What is the suitable identity to split the factors? Here we use the identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here what is a? 3a is a. What is b? 4b is b equal to 7 into 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b are the factors. Third question. 49x square minus 36. 49 is a perfect square. 7 square. 36 is a perfect square, that is 6 square. Is equal to x is nothing but x square, x into x. 7x whole square minus 6 square, which is in the form of a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So it is equal to 7x minus 6 into 7x plus 6. So factors. Fourth question. 16x cube minus 144 x cube. (16x to the power of 5 minus 144 x cube). In the two terms, taking common x cube, then 16x square minus 144. X cube into x square, bases are same, then we can add the powers. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here 144 into x cube, 144 x cube. And one more thing, 16 is a perfect square of 4 and 144 is the perfect square of 12. That is 12 square. It is equal to x cube into 4x whole square minus 12 whole square, which is in the form of a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. split into factors x cube into 4x minus 12 into 4x plus 12 are the factors. Fifth one, L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. It is directly in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a minus b into a plus b. So here it is equal to a is L plus m minus b is L minus m, and a plus b is a is L plus m plus L minus m. Minus m plus m cancel. It is equal to L plus m minus L, minus into minus plus m into L plus L is 2L. L minus L plus L cancel, m plus m is 2m into 2L. 2 to the 4LM is the factor. The fifth one. The sixth one is 9x square y square minus 16. 9 is a perfect square of 3. So 3 square x square y square means 3xy whole square. So here 3xy whole square. 16 is also perfect square, that is 4 square minus 4 square. What is the form of the identity? A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So 3xy minus 4 into 3xy plus 4. Seventh problem. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. It is equal to, which is in the form of the identity, that is x minus y whole square minus z square. This is also in the form of identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here a is equal to x minus y minus z into x minus y plus z are the factors. Eighth one, 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49 c square. Here (28bc). Okay. Here 25a square can be written as 5a whole square minus 4b square means 2b whole square plus here 2 into a bc means 2b, we can write here 49 c square means we can write minus 7c whole square into here 7c. 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28. Here just you observe it, square terms having the negative. So we can write it as 5a whole square. The other three terms in the taking common negative, then it becomes 2b whole square minus 2 into 2b into 7c plus 7c whole square. It is equal to 5a whole square minus, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. What is a? 2b is a minus what is b? 7c is b. It's a square. Again, which is in the form of a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So here what is a? 5a minus of 2b minus 7c. 5a plus 2b minus 7c equal to 5a minus 2b plus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. These are factors.